My dear friends in Christ Jesus, greetings to you all. In this episode, I would like to share with you something about Incardination and Excardination. First of all, it is important to understand that before a deacon or a priest can be ordained, he must be formally attached to a certain diocese. This is to ensure that the cleric is not wandering around from diocese to diocese without any formal accountability to any bishop. The attachment to a diocese is called incardination. When a priest obtains permission to transfer permanently to another diocese, there are certain things happen. Number one, the bishop in the new diocese must accept the cleric, such being called incardination. Number two, the bishop from the present diocese releases the cleric to the new diocese, such being called excardination. In other words, to be validly incardinated in another particular church, a cleric who is already incardinated must obtain a letter of excardination signed by the bishop of the diocese concerned, and in the same way, a letter of incardination signed by the bishop of the diocese of the particular church in which he seeks to be incardinated. Canon 267 of the Latin Code speaks of this. Canon 267, paragraph 2 says that excardination granted in this way, however, does not take effect until incardination is obtained in the other particular church. My dear friends, a cleric who has lawfully moved from his own particular church to another is, by virtue of the law itself, incardinated in the latter church after 5 years if he has declared this intention in writing to the bishop of both the dioceses, that is, the host diocese and his own parental diocese, and if neither of the two bishops has indicated opposition in writing within 4 months of receiving the cleric's written request. Canon 268, paragraph 1 speaks of this. The bishop of a given diocese is not to incardinate a cleric unless the need or the advantage of his particular church requires it, and the provisions of law concerning the worthy support of the cleric are observed. Canon 269, paragraph 1 speaks of this. Similarly, according to Canon 270, excardination can be lawfully granted only for a just reason, such as the advantage of the church or the good of the cleric. Thanks for watching. See you again.